My name is Megan Merritt-Daniels. I am 18 years old and I just graduated from homeschooling. Art is just astounding to me. There are so many things you can do with it. When I first started getting into art, I was about 14 years old, and what kicked it off was I saw a Cirque du Soleil performance, and I just thought the costumes and the acts they were performing were so great. So I started drawing my own little costumes and people doing weird contortionist things. The first person who really encouraged me and pushed me to follow my art skills was an art teacher at the Boys and Girls Club about 4 years ago, and she was like, "Wow, you have your own style. You've got some kind of skill going on. You should really follow through with this. Here's a program we want you to join. Do it." So I listened, and here I am. My first art show here, I believe I had 2 pieces in. And it was before I had joined Studio Space, and I just did not know much. And at the time, it was really cool. It's like, oh my God, I'm in a gallery. And it was awesome, and there were awards. And it really gave me a sense of encouragement and, hey, this stuff can happen. I think the majority of art starts with a feeling or something that must be expressed, and then the purpose comes from that. But sometimes you just have a really cool idea, and you think, hey, that would look really cool, and then in the process of creating that idea, a purpose evolves. The Girl on the Cherry Tree evolved from a Cure lyric. One of the lines was something along the lines of, "Why do I suddenly believe in a cherry tree girl in a powder blue room?" And I saw those colors in my head, and just the idea of this girl in this huge encompassing powder blue room, and just this wonderful red color somehow involved, and I just thought it would make an awesome painting. When I have an idea, I usually spend a very, very long time thinking about it. It's really just this instinctual feeling, like, I don't know, it just comes totally out of the blue. I suddenly have to do this. I do definitely see myself always creating art. I don't know if I can really eke out a living on it. Lucky for me, I am very happy living a simple life. I could quite happily live in a loft with a futon and a hot plate, living as a waitress, but I do always see myself creating art, and if I could become like a great influential artist or just do something with it, then that would make me very happy. My name is Megan Merritt-Daniels, and I'm 18.